Best 10 abs exercise home workout. Abs. Everyone seems to be asking a quick and short schedule. So we put together 10 best abs home workouts that your abs will be going to love and will save your time. Welcome once again to our channel. Are you thinking about having no equipments? You don't need complicated machinery or a way expensive gym membership to get great abs. The only real thing you will need is just a few square feet of floor. Based on recommendations, we've accumulated some tested moves you can do from your home comfortably. Doesn't it sound good? Do keep in mind that if you plan to work out your abdominal muscles, you should make up that routine for one that focuses on developing your back muscles. Let's get started. 1. Crisscross crunch. The crisscross crunch is a triple menace in that it tones your complete stomach wall, tightens the indirect muscle tissues, and burns enough quantity of energy. For getting the best result of this move, it's essential to keep the correct form by not allowing your abs cheat by inducing your knees in any additional than your hip joint. 2. Russian twist. Take a couple of reps of this home ab workout and you'll know which muscle tissues are running precisely. And it'll soon turn into obvious why this move is so efficient at whittling waistlines. The lower back also has to chip in to finish this movement, which means your obliques and lower abs will not be the one sore muscle tissue. 3. Reverse crunch. Forming lower abdominals may be complicated. However, this bodyweight workout manages to do so successfully. The reverse crunch assigns the lower ab muscle tissue in a much more fuller motion range than the other sit-ups. 4. Pelades facet hip elevate. This Pelades move can function as an effective hourglass exercise due to how it tightens the obliques. At the same time, it also works the outside thighs. 5. Flutter Kicks. This motion will increase hip flexor power and lower body flexibility. Flutter Kicks may be an effective way to tone the abdomen and slim thighs on this similar time. Jackknife Crunch. Jackknife crunches are an effective technique to strengthen higher and lower abdominals concurrently. Act the movement gently, emphasizing soft and managed motions to get the best result of your efforts. 7. Arms excessive partial sit-ups. Lie on your back, knees bent at 90 levels. Lift your arms straight overhead and maintain them, pointing up throughout the exercise. Sit up midway, then steadily return to the ground. That's 1 rep. 8. Pelades teaser. That is an onward stomach exercise because it requires power, stability, and adaptability. As soon as you have built up constructed up baseline core power, this is amongst the greatest strides to take the problem of your routines up a notch. 9. Double leg circles. Double leg circles are also another very efficient technique to tone abdominals without any tools. Not solely does it tone decreased abs, it engages your total core and even builds power within the hips, thighs, and rhomboids. 10. Pelades Indirect Crunch with legs elevate. This is a great full body exercise that's particularly excellent at forming the obliques. The lower part of your body also will get a great workout. This Pelades train can slim each outer and inner thighs. Haven't you found doing them interesting? Comment us below. Do you add any 3 or 4 after your main daily workout for the best result? Thanks for watching. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel to get our latest updates.